Riwruok mong'ere kaka Northeastern Wildlife Conservancies Association (Neca) okwedo okang' mokaw gi bad migawo mar arita lee mag bunge KWS mar daro tiga moko ariyo koa e Wajir nyaka e kar rito lee mag bunge ma ji giwegi mantiere Nanyuki, gino ma giwacho no dhi ataro gi chike marito lee mag bunge. Riwruok mar Neca wacho ni tigago ne oriti gi jodak ma Wajir bang' min-gi ne onegi gi jonjore moko e kinde mokalo. Giywak ni KWS ne ok onywando piny owacho mar kaunti ma Wajir e kawo okang' ma kamano, ka giwacho ni en okang' ma odhi ataro mar chike kendo biro goyo chuny moko kuom oganda mosebedo ka pidho kendo rito tigago e kido margi mar Jo-Somali.
Legal. This is part of a bigger problem, a bigger pattern. Poaching is rampant in Wajir, Garissa and Mandera. Somali giraffes are being slaughtered every week. Yet KWS has only one station in each county across this vast region. When they do come, it's only for a few days of operations. Then they leave and poachers return. Instead of building permanent presence, they take our wildlife away now. This is a problem. Our communities have done their part. We have volunteered youths as rangers. Our communities have even protected predators, lions, cheetahs and hyenas. We've created sanctuaries like Garissa and Wajir giraffe sanctuaries. We followed the law. The least KWS can do is respect it. We are asking our county governments, our members of parliament, our leaders, and every Kenyan who believes in fairness to stand with us. Northeastern is part of Kenya. Our wildlife deserves equal protection, equal investment, and equal respect. These giraffes must come home. They need to be protected in their landscape, not for emotion, but for justice. Because if conservation excludes communities, it fails. And if Northeastern is ignored, Kenya's conservation story is incomplete. These giraffes were born here. Their mother died here, and their people cared for them here. They belong here.